How to buy Truebit protocol. Alright, first thing you're gonna do is install a MetaMask wallet, and on CoinMarketCap, this is the total supply of Truebit, which is approximately 280 million, and current price is 21 cents. This is the market it's available on, but I recommend you buying it on decentralized exchanges and store it on MetaMask. Alright, this is a brand new MetaMask account. First thing you want to do is transfer some Ethereum to this MetaMask wallet. Then you want to import Truebit protocol, and this is its contract address. Make sure you're selecting this one, which ends with 276C. Copy that address and add it to your MetaMask. Import token, customize, paste. Automatically gonna pop up true, just like this, and import token. And there you have it. Now we've got two options. You either swap it on MetaMask or buy it on Uniswap exchange. I'll put all the links down in the description below. So the balance is 0. True. This is Truebit protocol. But the safest option, if you wanna, is to just swap it on MetaMask. First, I'll add some funds to this new wallet. Copy the address. Either copy the address somewhere over here or just click this one over here and it's gonna be copied. Alright, send. I just send the funds to this wallet and it's gonna take some time, so I'll wait for a few minutes, then I'll get back to this video. Alright, here it is. Took a few seconds. I didn't even pause the video, and there you go. Now you want to swap it over here on Uniswap. $800 is gonna give me 3,800 Truebit, but I'm gonna lower that so that the transaction goes through with no problem, as there is the Ethereum gas fees. But I'll just swap it on MetaMask. Here is how to do it. Swap Ethereum to Truebit, and I'll swap 0.3 or maybe 0.28. I want to let some Ethereum on the wallet, so I'll just click review swap. It's gonna cost $25 as gas fee. Gas fee this morning is actually low, and if you want to edit the gas fee, then set to medium, but it's the same anyway, so I'll just click swap and the transaction should go through very quickly, approximately 30 seconds. So waiting. In the meanwhile, you can check the Truebit chart over here, and Bitcoin goes up, then I'll expect Truebit to do something like this. The very last two recent swing high, that's gonna be about $300, 300%, sorry. Let's check the transaction. Still processing. Always make sure you're selecting the right contract address. It's this one which ends with 276C. The links on this video will be on the description below. Recent buys and sales. Now transaction confirmed, and I can view it on Etherscan. Let me check my MetaMask wallet. Transaction complete. Your True has been added to your account. Close, and there you have it. Alright, review. Quick summary. You can either swap on MetaMask, which is the easiest way, or you can directly buy on Uniswap or SushiSwap. Depends on what exchange you prefer. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you very soon.